Okay, so for example 4 here we have 100 points from a volume, 2 points. Okay, so we have 100 points here. And this one I'm gonna show you guys how to use the attribute VOP to only work on certain groups. So we're gonna group the points and we're gonna work on only those points in the group. But first off, I want to kind of show you guys a really cool node that I like a lot. So let's say we have 100 points here, and we want to kind of control where the PT nums are. Right now they are just randomly scattered, right? But there's a node called sort, the sort sub, which comes in like this. So what the sort sub does, it can sort your PT nums after a certain of a certain like you give it a command, right? You tell it to sort it by this or like this, or you know. So let's say we have 100 PT nums here, or 100 points, and we want them to be from here to here. We want to sort them by X, which means we want to sort them in X direction. So here it's going to be 0 and here it's going to be 99. How do we do that? We use a sort. We put the point sort to X, and that means that from X to X it sorts them. So here you can see it's 0, here it's 1, here it's 2. It basically sorts them based on the X value. So the smallest X value to the biggest X value. And if you go to the spreadsheet, you can actually see this if you do it here. So the 0.0 has -1, 0.1 has 0, -0.8, 0.2, -0.7, and it goes down, 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 down until 1 here, roughly 1, where the 99 points have 0.9 positive. So that's pretty cool. So now let's sort these or group them. Let's group half of them based on their PT num. And if we now group from 0 to 49, that means we will only group this half. When we actually only group the points that are negative in X position. So let's group by 0 to 49. Let's group the points and put the name to test group. We can see here that we have grouped only these points right here with the outline to them, and the group name is test_GRP. I'm gonna click off the numbers and we can see here. Okay, cool. So now we want the VOP here to work on them and do things to only this group. How do we do this? Well, first we have to set the group here to the test group. So test GRP is a group we want to work on. Let's visualize this and go inside. So now we're only working on the points in this group, right? Since we set the group to test GRP. I'm going to go ahead and add 0, 1, 0 to the position of them and update it. So add, the position goes in, I add 0, 1, 0 to the position with an add, input 1, input 2, and the sum goes out as a vector into the position and update the position. This means that the position is updated. Do you see the position is updated for only this group? And now I also want to color this group, and I can simply do this by using a constant, put into 1, 0, 0, and piping that to CD. And this group now is red. So that's a very cool way you can use the VOP to work on certain groups that you specify. And yeah, that's it for this tutorial. See you guys next time.